चलिए, उसके बाद पहले हम सब लोगों का प्रेजेंटेशन कंप्लीट करते हैं, फिर मैं मेरे जो रिव्यूज है वगैरह सब देंगे। अभी नेक्स्ट टर्न इज खुशी। सो खुशी, यू कैन स्टार्ट विथ योर प्रेजेंटेशन। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, जैसे आपको जनरल इंफॉर्मेशन दी हुई है, यू कैन स्टार्ट योर वीडियो कैमरा एंड योर माइक। बाकी सब पूरी शांति से अपने माइक को बंद रख के प्रेजेंटेशन को सुने। खुशी।
Good morning everyone, my name is Khushi Nilesh Kumar Shah. I am here to present the project given by Bhavin sir. The name of project is Test of COVID-19. Sir, am I audible?
यस, यू आर ऑडिबल, बट थोड़ा लाउडली बोलना। आपकी आवाज बहुत छोटी है, तो थोड़ा जोर से बोलना ताकि सब लोगों को अच्छे से सुनाई दे।
Yes, sir. I will give you the information about type of COVID test. The first type of COVID test is RT-PCR test. RT-PCR test, that is reverse transcription polymerase chain reaction. Second type of test is rapid antibody test, and third type of test is rapid antigen test. We should all know that these tests were introduced by Indian Council of Medical Research, that is ICMR. Now we will discuss in detail about these tests. First is RT-PCR test. RT-PCR test, that is reverse transcription polymerase chain reaction, is the most accurate method of testing. This test gives us the exact result about the coronavirus. RT-PCR tests are done through nasal and throat. RT-PCR test takes almost 3 hours to give its result. This test takes almost 3 hours. That means it has a long process. The price of RT-PCR test is between rupees 2200 to rupees 3000. This is somewhat costly for normal people. Now we will discuss the process of RT-PCR test. A sample is collected from deep inside your nose and back of your throat with a swab. Swab here means a thin stick. The sample is then treated with chemical solution which removes the proteins and fats inside the sample, and it leaves only the RNA. RNA, that is ribonucleic acid, in the sample. The sample is then sent to the laboratory for analysis. When an RT-PCR machine is used to detect the virus. Second type of test is rapid antibody test. Rapid antibody tests are fast and inexpensive. Antibody tests require a blood sample to determine whether the human body has antibodies for coronavirus. These tests use blood sample which is collected from our finger to determine the coronavirus, to determine the antibodies present in our body. If a person tests positive through a rapid test, then ICMR, that is Indian Council of Medical Research, advises to take the antibody test. The antibody test costs between rupees 500 to rupees 600. It takes around 20 to 30 minutes to give its result. The process of antibody test is rapid antibody test. Testing involves taking a blood sample from the finger and putting it in the testing template. There is a small template which is known as testing template. The lab technician put the blood sample collected from our finger in the template and gives us the result. Third is rapid antigen test. The antigen test is done only through nasal swab. That means that means the sample is collected from back of our nose. It is mostly used in containment zone and healthcare services. Antigen test refers to any toxin in the body that harms the immune system. This test gives results on the basis of toxin present in our body, which is harming our immune system. The maximum duration for antigen test is 30 minutes. The kit of antigen test costs rupees 450. The process is that the nasal samples are collected and tested for antigens which are found in the SARS-CoV-2. The full form of SARS-CoV-2 is respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2. The test is taken under the jurisdiction of doctors. Now we will discuss some major states and their number of tests. First is Delhi. Delhi has reported 23,173 tests per million population. Second is Maharashtra. Maharashtra has reported 7,371 tests per million population. Third is Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu has reported 13,774 tests per million population. Fourth is Gujarat. Gujarat has reported 5,169 tests per million population. Fifth is Kerala. Kerala has reported 5,963 tests per million population. Now we will discuss the risk while taking the test for COVID-19. During the test, you may feel a gagging sensation when the swab will be inserted in your nose and throat. Gagging sensation means we feel uncomfortable. While the swab that is the thin stick is inserted in our nose and throat. The nasal aspirate may especially seem a bit uncomfortable. However, all of these effects are temporary and will go away shortly after the test. In some cases of tracheal aspirate, that is the sample taken through throat, there may be bleeding or infection. In case of blood test, no risk are observed. There may be a slight swell and pain in the area where the needle was inserted. However, it goes away pretty soon. Thank you.
Okay, चलिए, very nice. Good presentation by खुशी on the taste. Excellent. बहुत बढ़िया है. इंफॉर्मेशन टेस्ट के बारे में इसने थोड़ा और डिटेल में बताया खुशी ने, क्योंकि उनका स्पेसिफिक जो टॉपिक था वो टेस्ट के ऊपर था. सो बहुत बढ़िया. एक्सीलेंट प्रिपरेशन. आप लोग सब लोगों ने बहुत बढ़िया कोशिश की है. चलिए, तो इसके बाद टर्न है